Assalamu alaikum everyone. So here's another question on demand and supply diagrams, and as you guys can see, the question here says analyze with the help of a demand and supply diagram the effect of a report stating that tomatoes are good for health on the market for tomatoes. So you guys need to make the demand and supply diagram for tomatoes here, and the question basically is telling you that there's a report that is basically a campaign that says that tomatoes are good for health. So this is something that is going to motivate consumers to eat more tomatoes. So if you guys remember, there was a factor that shifted the demand curve, and we studied that, and that factor was basically advertising. So advertising is basically used for persuasion. So when you advertise a product or when you talk about health benefits of tomatoes, that persuades consumers to buy more tomatoes, and therefore that will shift the demand curve for tomatoes towards the right. So I will shift the demand curve here for tomatoes towards the right, and then what will happen to the equilibrium will be that the price will go up. This is going to increase the price of tomatoes. So you guys need to show this by P1. There's an increase in the price of tomatoes, and the quantity is going to shift to Q1, and this is basically going to increase the quantity as well. So what you guys need to write in the analysis is that a report which states that tomatoes are good for health is going to persuade more consumers to buy more tomatoes. So it's going to persuade consumers to buy more tomatoes, to demand more tomatoes. So the demand curve will shift towards the right. Consumers will demand more tomatoes, and when the tomatoes will the demand for tomatoes will increase, what will happen is that there will be a rise in price. So there will be a rise in price, and because of this rise in price, the supply curve will basically move towards the right, which means that the supply will also increase. So and the quantity traded will increase. So we'll write here quantity traded will increase. There is an extension in the supply curve because of the rise in price. So that you'll write here the quantity traded will also increase. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.